Welcome back, everybody. In this video, you are going to learn a simple 3-step system to fade. You will also learn how to fade with your detachables. This Mohawk, we're going to burst it out. We're starting with no guard closed, creating the first guideline. The guideline is important when you're bursting out a Mohawk. Check it out. At this point, I disclose a undefeatable method. 3 steps with everything. Closed, middle, open. Check it out. Right now we're open. Now that the open is done, we're going to go to the middle level, and that will go in between the closed and open guide. The reason for going open first is so that we know where to stop and we have more control of our haircut. Before going on to the next guard, repeat the same 3 steps until everything is nice and clean. Now with the 1.5 detachable, go up 2 inches, nice and confident, leaving everything nice and clean. This method here is safe because you control your blends and it's easy to master. Now with the 1A, you want to fade up, but avoid hitting the 1.5 line. Throughout the haircut, brush away loose hairs. In some states, the brush is not allowed, so you will have to use a comb. Now with the 1 detachable, fade up, avoiding hitting the 1A line. Here you see me going with the grain. That's part of the polishing, laying down the waves, and cutting any protruding hairs. Before going on, repeat the 3 steps. Make sure that there's no lines, no shadows, and that everything is clean. Add any finishing desires and enjoy your haircut.